this is Cindy with Playing with the Heart, and I'm back with a private swap that I did with Cheesy Crafts. So she is Anna, and she messaged me and wanted to know if I'd be interested in doing a swap with her. So I said yes. I rarely ever say no, just because I think it's so flattering to be asked to do a swap. So she said that she wanted to do an embellishment box swap, which it's kind of, in a way, not really my thing, but I was excited to try something new. So I did my own take on an embellishment box swap, which I will be posting what I sent her, which I'm actually really happy with what I sent her. I hope she likes it too. So I sent her some goodies, and I hope that she enjoys what I sent her. So I'm going to share with you what she made for me. So she made me a traditional embellishment box, and so it's got this cute ornament on here, and then let's see how to open this up. It's like on there. Good. Okay, so here we go, and it's got a card. Let's see if I can make sure I get all of this in here. So she asked me what I was going to be using for my December daily, and I said it's going to be using the Merry by Crate Paper, Merry Christmas by Crate Paper. That was what I was going to be using, which I am, and I'm going to be showing you guys my haul for that. So she wrote me a really lovely letter. It came in this card. She says it was her first one, my first one too. She wants to know if I enjoy it. Merry Days collection, and she's so sweet. Wow, very, very sweet. So she sent a very, very sweet card, and thank you so much, Anna. So all these little goodies that are falling off. I'm going to stick that in there. So it's very exciting because I've never done one of these, but I love this. So she made kind of like a tag, and it's a shaker tag. It's really, really cute. Beautiful. Okay, so I'll open that in a second. So I'm going to go over all the goodies that she sent. She was very generous in what she sent. Really, really generous. So I hope she likes what I sent her. This came before I sent her box. So I purposely did not, she posted a video. So I did not watch the video, and I did not open this box that she sent until after I'd sent her my box, because I didn't want what I saw her send influence what I sent her, because I wanted it to be, really what I planned on sending her. So I hope she likes it. So I made a lot of the things that I sent her, so I hope she likes it. They're all handmade stuff. So she sent these really cute, I love these glittered snowflakes in all different colors. And then she sent these buttons, which I positively love these buttons. I don't know if you can see that. I'm thinking, now that I'm looking at them, that these would be really cute as pulls, tag pulls in a December daily or an album. Really, really cute. And then, oh my gosh, I love this. It's a little tiny Christmas tree in here, and some chunky glitter. So awesome. And then these pom-poms. This one is bow. Pom-poms, and just beautiful. Look at that. And just some extra ones. Love that so much. Put everything back so it'll close. And then this one right here, so she sent bling. These I love to put in the centers of flowers. These are really great for that. And then enamel dots, which I love enamel dots. That's my new favorite thing. And then in here, she has various bows that kind of have that Christmas look, along with some paper clips. Very cute. And then in here, there are some snowflake brads. Very, very sweet. And then this one has a bunch of buttons in all different colors that match the Merry Days collection. So really, really beautiful. And I love these. So these are like vellum, different kind of like snow globe shapes. I think she might have cut these out of vellum, the vellum paper that goes with the collection. I love these. They'll be so amazing in the album. So in here she made shaker sequin mixes in all different colors. Just amazing. So amazing. And then she sent distress ink in the colors. So this one is pine needle and Victorian velvet. And then we've got a couple of flowers and some clips, wood clips. And then in this large one here, she has some vellum snowmen. There's a bow, and then she sent these Nouveau drops, which is super exciting. This color is autumn red, which I don't think is what I have here. This one is rhubarb crumble, which is much more pink. So this one is red, which is really exciting. I'm excited about that. And then here she's got some Santas and just some various cut aparts, which are really sweet. And then there's more like confetti. This one is like red circles and like leaves, so like holly. Love that. And then in here, there are numbers. So these are little actual numbers, 12, 21, and then there's a spool of blue thread. So there's some tickets. It's really good to see what people do, give you ideas, especially if you haven't done one of these. And this is glitter drops in white blizzard, this little mini one, which is so sweet. And then we've got some brads. So these are like bling brads, and some fun washi. Right, some fun washi. And then in here we've got a bunch of brads, and these also would be really great for centers in flowers too, which is very cool. And then in here we've got all kinds of these really sweet stickers that go with the collection. They're like the puffy stickers. Oh, I love that because I actually didn't buy. I don't think I bought the stickers, so that's very sweet. And then some flowers, which I love. I don't know if you know that I love the flowers. I've been experimenting with making my own flowers. How sweet that is. Very cute. Beautiful. So she also sent some other goodies, which I'm going to share with you guys. So in this bag, she sent, oh, cute. She sent this Hero Arts clear stamp set along with the die cuts. So sweet and generous and wonderful. Thank you so much. And there's also some other goodies also. So I'm going to close this because oh my God, I would die if I spilled this everywhere. So I'm going to close that so I don't ruin everything. And then she also sent more Nouveau drops. Oh my gosh, I love these. I don't have these at all. This is Antique Rose. So wonderful. Very excited about I love the Nouveau drops. It's like my new favorite thing. because it's just so much better than doing buying a lot of enamel dots, even though those are nice to have. This is the Memory Hardware Frank Garcia large album. So beautiful. Really excited about that. Let's see what else is in here. There are lots of wonderful goodies in here. So she sent a bunch of sequins. So we've got the greens and the purples. And she also sent the blues. And she sent some beautiful paper from Prima. And there is another crystal drops, Nouveau crystal drops in here. And this color is raspberry pink. Love that. I don't have any of these colors. It's so amazing. Thank you so much, Anna. This is really spectacular. You did a wonderful job, and I hope that you like what I sent you. I made a lot of the embellishments that I sent you because that's just kind of what I do when I do these things. I really want to make them personal, so I hope that you like what I sent you. Her colors were kind of like the Santa Baby colors, so I did use that collection when I created her box, and I actually used MB Gray's. She has a tutorial on making your own box for an embellishment swap, so that is what I used for hers. I actually made my own box, and then I filled it with little goodies, trims and those sorts of things. And I made handmade flowers, and I made a bunch of stuff. And I also sent her some store-bought things as well. So I hope she likes what I sent her. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to visit Anna over at Cheesy Crafts. She's a really talented crafter. She has a wonderful channel. If you're watching me, then you're probably going to like her because I think we have we're doing similar things on our channel. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Creating with the Heart.